In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on an Instagram. We're going to walk through how to add a collaborator to an Instagram post even after it's already live. This works on both iOS and Android, and I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile. Find the post you want to share with a collaborator and tap it to open. In the top right corner of the post, tap the three dots to bring up the options menu. From there, choose Edit. At the top of the screen, look for Add Collaborator and tap it. If you see an option labeled Invite Collaborator, toggle it on. Now you can search for the account you want to invite and add them. Once you send the invite, they'll receive a notification. As soon as they accept, the post will appear on both of your profiles and you'll share likes, comments, and reach. This is a great way to boost visibility without deleting or reposting anything. If you don't see the Add Collaborator option during editing, don't worry. There's a built-in way to get help inside the app. Go back to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right. Choose Settings and Privacy, then scroll down to Help. Tap Report a Problem and then tap Report a Problem again. If you're prompted about including logs and diagnostics, select Don't Include. You'll land on a text box where you can contact Instagram support. Write a short message such as, I'm unable to see the option to add a collaborator on my Instagram post. I don't want to delete and repost it. Please help enable the collaboration option on my account. If you can, attach a screenshot of the edit screen showing the missing option. Then tap Send. In most cases, Instagram responds within 1 to 2 days and can enable the feature on your account if it's available in your region and account type. A couple of quick tips as you do this: make sure you're inviting the correct account because the person needs to accept the invite for the collaboration to go live. Also, collaborations share engagement metrics, which is perfect for joint projects, brand partnerships, or co-created content. And that's it. You've learned how to add a collaborator to an existing Instagram post, plus what to do if the option isn't showing up. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical Instagram tips.